Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how I was able to use YouTube and pretty much any other app right on my car screen using an app called Stream Dash. As you can see, I already have it set up on my phone, and trust me, it works great. With this app, you can easily play YouTube through CarPlay or Android Auto, and it's actually way simpler than you might think. All you need to do is download the app, connect it to your car, and you're good to go. Whether you want to stream music, podcasts, or even watch YouTube videos when you're parked, this app makes it super easy. Just a quick reminder, please don't use it while driving. Make sure you stay safe and only use it when the car isn't moving. So, if you're wondering how to get Stream Dash on your device, stick around and I'll walk you through everything step by step. Alright, let's jump right into the tutorial. First, open up your browser. I'm using Safari, but you can use Chrome or whatever you prefer, and go to streamdash.app. You can either type that directly into the address bar or just search for it on Google. Once you're on the site, you'll see a description of the app and how it works. To download it, simply tap the download button. That's when the download process will begin. Now, if it's your first time using the site, you might be redirected to a quick setup page with a few simple steps. Don't worry, they're all clearly explained, and there's even a video guide if you need extra help. Once you complete those steps, an installation pop-up should appear, and then the app will install directly to your phone. And that's it. Super easy. I hope Stream Dash works just as well for you as it did for me, and I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up, drop a comment if you have any questions, and don't forget to subscribe for more tech tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.